Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Clearwater Beach, Florida. This is the after on the Model 55 Fiat, and it needed extensive degreasing. I got up under there on the creeper a few days ago, and then I came back the next day and hand polished. I've got some very intricate, I'm going to use my inspection light here to really pick it up so you can see that it's got this painted pinstriping, and the owner was wanting to be very, very careful with everything, and you can see some of it even is missing. So this car will need painted. It's got a lot of paint defects going on, but it is an absolutely stunningly beautiful convertible car, Fiat, made in Poughkeepsie, New York. My polishing job. The owner is he's not. Pretty darn good. He's not huge on using machines and polishing with polishing with pads and such. I've had many long, extensive talks. Unfortunately, somebody spilled something along the years on the trunk, but this car is absolutely very, very cool. Very, very collectible, and I think that the shine came out pretty darn nice. It's, like I said, it's got a lot of defects. I would love to polish this car out for him, but we just wanted to kind of do, what I called, when we talked together, was a light exfoliation. He wanted me just to clear off some of the dead paint, and these fenders, you can probably see they've got some defects here. There's little tiny bubbles coming up. So, what I went ahead and did was just polish this out by hand. Took a reasonable amount of time and really just stuck to the paintwork with a full contact wash. And then, just getting the paint just to pop a little bit, just get some of that dead stuff off there on this single stage paint. So anyway, thanks for being with me. Please like, share, subscribe, do what you need to do, and enjoy making your cars beautiful. I thank you very much. Take care. Bye.